Hey guys, welcome back to an RGTV. Today I want to show you a quick way to use our canned stew meat. And I have 2 pints of stew meat in beef broth. We're going to need 4 cloves of garlic and also 1/4 cup of brown sugar. We're going to need 1/2 cup of soy sauce and a tablespoon of sesame oil. We're going to make beef and broccoli with rice. So real quick and easy to throw together, especially if you have your canned stew meat ready to go. So follow me over to the stove and we'll get started. Okay, so we have our 1/2 cup of brown sugar and our 4 cloves of garlic. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and also 1/2 cup of soy sauce. I reserve my broth from my canned meat and we have about 2 cups. I'm going to pour that in. And then we're going to combine this together with our whisk. Okay, so once it comes up to a simmer, we're just going to add our beef stew meat into our pan. And then we're going to let this come back up to a slow simmer. We're going to simmer this for about 20 minutes just on low because it is cooked. And then we're going to come back. Okay guys, this has been simmering for about 15 minutes. Now we're just going to thicken our sauce with 1/4 cup of cornstarch and 1/4 cup of water. We're going to combine those together really well. And we're going to pour that in. We're going to combine that and then we're going to bring this back up to a boil. Okay guys, so this has been brought back up to a boil. You can tell that the sauce is definitely thickening. I've let it go for about 5 minutes. We're going to go ahead now and we're going to make our rice and then we're going to add our broccoli and we're going to be ready to go. Okay, so let this simmer and now we're about 10 minutes away from eating, so I want to go ahead and add our broccoli. You can do fresh here, but all I have is frozen. So we're going to add that in and we're going to heat that through and get that broccoli cooked. And we're gonna plate it up. Okay guys, there it is. Beef and broccoli over rice. Very quick and easy dinner and an awesome way to use your home canned foods. Give it a try guys. Let me know down below what you think or just leave me a note that you were here. As always guys, thanks so much for watching and we'll see you next time.